can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Zcash. Zcash is up 27% over the last 1 week. Zcash currently trades above $54. Right now, when an altcoin season, even though the vibes don't feel like that, altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin on a 90-day time frame. But fear has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. We're still waiting for that Bitcoin dominance dump. We look at Zcash performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. We also look at Zcash performance against Ethereum. And finally, we look at Zcash market cap. We see it's around $879 million. Can we rally past that $1.28 billion level? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Zcash, trading around the $53.94, has a fully diluted market cap of $1.13 billion. We saw Zcash all-time high coming on the 29th of October 2016. Zcash traded for as high as $5,941. But since then, Zcash has had a very, very terrible time. Since then, we've seen Zcash dump aggressively to Goblin Town. The altcoin market, one of the most volatile markets in the world. For it to make huge gains in the altcoin market, guys, you have to be able to stomach huge losses. When Zcash dumped to Goblin Town, what happened after that? We saw Zcash pumping. We saw Zcash having his own mini rally, rallying by more than 3,600%. But over the years, Zcash has also dumped to Goblin Town during the bear market. The 2018 bear market saw it losing 97% of its value. Yes, we pumped in 2021, but that pump was nothing to write home about. That pump saw Zcash rallying up by just 1,600%. And the 2022 bear market, we saw Zcash also dumping to Goblin Town, losing around 95% of its value. Now, there have been rumors going around that Altseason is over. We're not going to see all coins pumping. Market participants are kind of scared. Why are they scared, guys? When market participants are scared, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin, is Ethereum, and it's Solana. And right now, the altcoin season indexes were in an altcoin season. If you know what an altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that's an altcoin season. And we've seen a lot of these altcoins outperforming Bitcoin over the last 90 days. Bitcoin is just up 3.5%. But market vibes is still down, even though during altcoin season, we're expecting to see greed. During altcoin season, we're expected to see pandemonium and greed in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the vibes are down, but guys, I just believe that's a trap. I believe we're going to see a big pump in the coming days and the coming weeks. Historically, the market cycle doesn't end with the whimper. The market cycle doesn't end when we're dumping to Goblin Town. It's either the top is in already and we're already deep down to Goblin Town, or the top is ahead of us. We are still going to be singing Kumbaya at some point in time, and that'll be the best time to sell. Remember, guys, you are playing a game against other market participants. The other market participants too are trying to make some profit. The game is to buy as low as possible and to sell as high as possible. So I won't be shocked if some smart players start freeing their Zcash bags around the $215 level, around the $360 region. And if we're very lucky, we see Zcash rallying to where it stopped trading in December of 2017. We'll see Zcash trading around $982, which means from where we're currently trading, Zcash would have pumped by more than 1,700%. You never want to say never with these altcoins. They might look dead, they might look down in Goblin Town, but when things get moving, triple-digit gains across the board, double-digit gains across the board are the normal norm. So what's special about Zcash? Zcash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the zk-SNARK zero-knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information of those transactions. You want to get some Zcash tokens for yourself, you can get some Zcash tokens on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on HTX, on Bitfinex, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Zcash tokens right there. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, right now there's fear. Yesterday there's fear. Even though Bitcoin trades above $100,000, even though Ethereum trades above $4,100, even though BNB is at new all-time highs, fear is back to the cryptocurrency market. The last 3 months has seen sentiment deteriorate. We saw greed in the market on the 14th of August, but since then, we have been dumping to goblin town. We have seen fear return back to the cryptocurrency market. I believe we're going to see greed return, and greed is always a good time to sell. The mantra is to buy when there's fear in the market, to sell when greed returns to the cryptocurrency market. Right now, there's fear. Right now, there are a lot of good buying opportunities. I'll not be shocked to see Zcash having that exit pump against Ethereum. Historically, that's what altcoins do. When we get to the final phase of the market cycle, we see these altcoins going parabolic against Ethereum and against Bitcoin, because, guys, in the bull market, a lot of market participants have made huge gains in Bitcoin and Ethereum, start flipping those gains into the altcoin market, trying to get those multiples. So I'll not be shocked to see Zcash having a 200 to a 500% pump. A lot of these altcoins are going to see an exit pump. That pump is going to catch market participants off guard, and you see them foaming back at the top before we eventually continue that big dump to goblin town. If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, it currently sits around 58.61%. Bitcoin dominance could easily take a tumble, and that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for Bitcoin dominance to finally take a tumble. Maybe we'll see it go to as low as 49%, maybe even 40%. But one thing is sure, the new capital that's entering the cryptocurrency market is skipping over from Bitcoin, is keeping away from Bitcoin, and it's running straight to the altcoin market. If you look at Zcash market cap, the line in the sand we talked about in the previous video, the $1.28 billion level has not been breached. From where we're currently trading, Zcash could still give us one pump to get there, around a 50% pump to get to the $1.3 billion level. And if Zcash wants to go to new all-time highs, if we want to rally past the market cap of around $4.4 billion, we'll need to see Zcash pump by more than 400%. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Zcash is showing some signs of life. Zcash is up on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, and a yearly time frame. We're still expecting altcoin season to continue. Even though the vibes are down, even though market participants are very impatient, even though there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, we're expecting an explosive move over the next few days or the next few weeks. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying the dip on Zcash? How low do you see Zcash going in the coming days and the coming weeks? When we start pumping to the moon, where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.